I have my haul from Jane's Agenda's Cyber Week to share with you today, and I have got quite an assortment of items here. Let's go ahead and start off with what is in this little bag, and then I will go from there. All right, let's move this up here. And this is the freebie, I believe, because I couldn't imagine what else this would be, actually, to be honest. So, oh yes, nice, nice, nice. I didn't think I was going to get this, actually. Super cute stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I love these cards. Okay, so we have a thank you card here. Love that. Thank you for shopping during Cyber Week, and share your haul and tag us. And then there's this band, which is an elasticized band, but it also has this Velcro closure. And this is actually just to keep your planner closed. Now, I do keep my planners in planner wraps, but if I ever switch that out, this will come in handy, or I could use this for like any other planner. Could use it for different things as well, I'm sure. Let's open this up. If this is the first time you're stopping in, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. I love Jane's Agenda. These freebies are so cute. I love this on the black cardstock. It's black on the front and then white on the back here, but it is printed with the white. These monthly calendars, so that is a really, really nice freebie. These do start on a Monday start, so these would just be like a really nice cute little card to put in my planner for aesthetic purposes. All right, the next item that I'm going to share with you, I have it all wrapped up. I did not unwrap anything actually, but this one right here is a planner tote. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, so I have the planner tote right here. I received this in a subscription box of hers. I love this tote. It's such a nice tote. It's a really nice canvas. It has this pocket in the front here. The straps are really nice. They're really sturdy. They're like adhered all the way down. So they're sewn all the way down. So they're nice and sturdy. It has this really nice zipper closure, and it is just a big opening here. So that is what this is. And I actually picked this up because my sister-in-law was eyeing my bag and she really, really liked it. So I thought, well, this would be a great Christmas present for her. So that is why I picked another tote up that is going to be a gift for her. So I'm excited that I was actually able to get things for myself, of course, but then I was actually able to get a Christmas gift as well. If you've been following me for a little while, subscribed to me for a bit, then you know that I use the Jane's Agenda junior size. I didn't open anything because, I don't know, I thought it would be more fun just to do it with you. So this one, this girl, this ballerina, how beautiful is she? Like just in motion there. I love that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And if you're not familiar with her cardstock dashboards, they have this beautiful finish to them and they are double-sided. So you've got the same thing on the other side. I'm noticing that she's adding in these little QR codes. So that is actually something new that I've never seen before. I would always see like her brand on there, but not the little QR code. This next one is so pretty with these beautiful peonies. I love these flowers. Like these are so pretty. Look at that. Such a pretty pink. The same on the other side. And I love that color so much. All right, and then I have a couple of vellum dashboards here. I like that the vellum dashboards come with a cardboard to keep them like in really nice shape. So that's what you're seeing here. But here's the vellum, Beautiful and Savage. I'm going to show you the vellums first, and then I will show you how you can like layer them over the dashboards. Now I've already done my planner lineup, and I will be using 3 Jane's Agenda planners for 2025. If you want to see that video, I will have that linked here for you, and you can go and check out my lineup. This one is, I love the white printed on the white. This one says, don't be afraid to take up space. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here because I think everything is so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful and savage. That looks stunning over that. And then let's take a look at this one. This is another gorgeous one here. Don't be afraid to take up space. So pretty. All right, and then let's take a look at this one. This is really pretty. I think I like this layered over this better. The beautiful and savage, I think I like that one over the girl because I think that that just speaks truth. Oh my gosh, so pretty. All right, so these are going to be going in to my reference planner that I have set up for January setup. Now, I will also be getting the Jane's Agenda January Deluxe subscription box, and that's going to be a lot of fun to open up as well. And then I will be using the items from that subscription box for my 2025 January aesthetic. I do switch out my planner aesthetic every month because I update it with the items that I get from my subscription box. Really been enjoying doing that. All right, then I picked up these black cardstock dashboards for the months. I love these. These are so pretty. I just love the white ink. I was going to get the vellum ones, but I decided to get these black ones instead because I think that this is going to work out really well in the other planner that I have set up, which is a planner that I have designated for my master plan workshop. And that way I can have a really nice cardstock for each month. Let's go through these. These are beautiful. I love all the quotes on here. Now is the time for guts and guile. We attract who our souls need to grow. That's February. And you see how it has like February on here. I like that. And then, of course, the first letter in bold here. To make living itself an art, that is the goal. April, luxury is in each detail. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. June, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. Oh, that is really powerful. Wherever you are, be all there. That's for July. August, elegance is not about being noticed. It's about being remembered. That's beautiful. September, autumn is a second spring when every leaf is a flower. October, in any given moment, we have two options: to step forward into growth or step back into safety. Love these quotes. November, forever is composed of nows. And December, keep some room in your heart for the unimaginable. I love these. Oh my gosh, I was in love with the aesthetic of these, but honestly, I had not gone through all of the quotes, and I'm so glad that I did that with you today. So that is really, really pretty. I'm excited to put those into my planner. All right, now let's see. Let me show you these because these items are actually repeats. I had to get, and actually, I don't think I'm going to take this. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because they're exactly the same as these are right here. And my plan for this, I got this in the large size, which is the letter size. It's so big. It's so big, but I bought it like this because I think that this would be beautiful framed, and I want to put this in my office. So I have to get a frame that this is going to fit, and I'm super excited because I think that that's going to look gorgeous, and it's going to, of course, be layered the way this one here is, and I think that that will be really, really beautiful. So that was my intention for these. So just a little bit of an idea for yourself. If you see some of these beautiful dashboards that she has in her shop, getting a bigger size and framing them, love it. Super excited. All right, now I have my last little stack here, but I do have quite a little stack, and these are all minis because I'm going to be setting up a mini. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to do this. I haven't had a mini in like forever because honestly, I have not really needed one, but I am going to be setting up one for on the go and super excited to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and open all of this up and be sure to be subscribed to me and hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified and you'll be able to see when I set this up. All right, this is a dashboard cardstock set. This one is called Nostalgic Peonies. And I think this is so pretty, really pretty. Now, I received this in the junior size previously, but I don't have it in the mini size. And I think that this would look beautiful for my mini when I get that set up. And then I have some notes inserts here. Got two kinds of notes inserts. These right here are the dot grid. Okay, and I like that they include the cardboard because it keeps them nice and like straight. They won't get bent up. So here's the dot grid. It's just plain dot grid supply here. Now Jane does offer this insert in a bigger bulk if you are just really interested in getting a lot of dot grid notes. Okay, and then this other one, this is the Tri-Focus note pages. And these are lined in through here, but they are sectioned out into 3 sections. And they're the same on the front and the back. And again, there's a nice quantity of them here. I'm not sure how many pages are in here. I should count them. All right, I went ahead and I counted them, and there are 12 sheets, and they're double-sided, so you would get like 24 pages because a page is considered one side. And then I got some monthlies here. All right, so let's check these out. I wasn't so sure if I wanted to get monthlies or not, but then I thought, you know what, I should try these out. So let's take a look. These are the monthly number 12. And when you order monthlies, you do get this first page, which is just an information page, your name, phone, email in case of emergency. The 2025, kind of like a overview calendar here. So we've got January through June on this side, and then there is a perpetual calendar down at the bottom. So it's got a line for every day of the month. And then here's the other 6 months of the year. And then there's a line notes page here. And now there's 2025 task list. So you've got all 12 months there with lines and then like little check boxes. And on this side is a nice 2026 year overview. Okay, and now we are going into January, and this is a Sunday start. So the Sunday is also on these calendars as well. I prefer my monthlies to start on Sunday as opposed to Monday. Chose this one because it already has like the kind of like nice cover page for the month. And this is a month on a page. So since this is a mini, this is really small. Like it's pretty small, but I kind of like the idea of having this anyway. I wanted to see it, so I figured that this would be the perfect chance for me to try it out. So you could see it's got the whole month here at a quick view on one page. And then there's even like this 2 little sections here that you can create a little list section. And then there is a quote on the top here. So these are really cute. I like these. I think that these will be a good choice for me to put in my mini. My mini, I'm not too concerned about having a calendar in here, but this actually will work out pretty nicely for me, just so I have some place to like jot things down if I need to write them like into my calendar quickly, then I will have this with me. So I have the whole month here, or excuse me, I have the whole year here, and then it ends right there. All right, and then the last thing I have to share with you are some tabbed dividers. All right. Now, I have to say that I had purchased some tab dividers. I think it was like last warehouse sale or something, and I didn't really care for them that much. So I decided to get these. These are much nicer. It is like a frosted, kind of like the frosted, because you don't have to worry about like fingerprints. And I just wanted to put that dashboard under there so you could still see the beautiful illustrated dashboards under these. It's just that they are frosted as opposed to the clear. I thought about getting the clear ones, but again, for the purposes that I'm going to be using this planner, I didn't want to have to worry about having to deal with like fingerprints and things like that. So this particular set is unlabeled, and these come 6 in a set. So if I wanted to get a full year, then I'd have to get another set of these. That is everything that I got. I think I am ready to set up my mini. So I will be doing that. And if you want to make sure that you see that, make sure that you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss that setup. And then, of course, I will be putting these beautiful vellum dashboards along with these other like illustrated dashboards into my existing planner. I will be using that same reference planner. Like the setup on the inside will remain the same. I will just be switching out the aesthetics of it. And then for my master plan planner that I have, I will be adding these in to my months. So I really like what I got here. I honestly, I did not think that I would get the freebie because I didn't order this early. I actually ordered this on the last day of the cyber sale. I was happy that I got everything that I really wanted. I got a Christmas gift. It was a really, really exciting sale. I know that her shop has grown. I'm so excited for all of their success this year. They have done an amazing job. And I just love being a part of the Jane's Agenda community. Now, I am an affiliate, so if you do decide to purchase anything, I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. You will find that down below in the description. And if you have never purchased from her before, there is a code there to save you 15% off your first purchase. It does not include any subscription boxes. Absolutely love her shop. I will continue to get the subscription boxes from her, not changing anything up moving into 2025. So if you have never seen any of her subscription boxes, I have them all. I have them all. I have unboxings of them. You can go back and watch some of those videos, and that will give you a really good idea of what she has in her subscription boxes. They are amazing. Like I said, if you like anything here, you decide to purchase anything, greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. I know many of you have already, and thank you so much for doing that. It really does help me out. It shows Jane that you are finding things through me, and therefore that helps me to be able to continue to be an affiliate with her. And I love being an affiliate with her. I love her products, and I just have really, really enjoyed them very much, and I enjoy sharing them all with you. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to do all the things that YouTube loves, and that is to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know, did you pick up anything from Jane's Agenda's Cyber Week sale? Or is this the first time you are even seeing anything from Jane? Let me know in the comments below. And if you watch this video all the way through till the end, leave me a flower emoji. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.